Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I received the Calico Critters toys and I'm going to be unboxing these today. I also ordered another one with the refrigerator and the stove. So the other one I ordered, it looks like this right here. And then the fridge is like right here. It looks like this. I believe that will arrive maybe sometime next week. I'm going to go ahead and unbox this, and this will be part of my mini kitchen slash mini bakery, mini sushi shop theme that I'm working on right now. So soon you'll actually see videos of the aroma that I'm gonna make for my bakery shop, my sushi shop, and my kitchen. I'm going to unbox the kitchen island first. I'm so excited. These are actually much smaller than I thought. I thought it would be bigger, but you know, just based on this box, this is like the size of a Remand box toy, which is pretty small considering it has a lot of items in the box. I'm just so curious how small this is. Oh my lord, this is actually super small. It's in a scale of 1 to 12. The Remand toys are mostly in the scale of 1 to 6, I believe. So this is actually very tiny. Actually, yes, it is very tiny. I'm debating if I want to keep them or not because they are super tiny. So this is the kitchen island with the sink. It's pretty cute. There's a lot of details. Oh, look at this. The eggs, the accessories, the mixer, the waffle making machine, and the little waffles and donuts or pancakes, the mold for the donut and the waffle, the scale, the ladle, or like the spoon. And then it also has some stickers. The kitchen island, it was too tiny, so I am going to return it. Now I'm going to open the microwave cabinet. I think I should have opened it on the other side. Okay. So this is how the microwave cabinet looks. It is small, but maybe I can keep this. I don't know. Let me take a look. But this is a microwave, and then there's a little cabinet down here, and I think there's like food here. It's kind of cute. They also included a little Calico Critters card here.